Yes, hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and taking care of your health too. Okay, I know you people are not going out, but whenever your parents are going out, just remind them to wear mask and sanitize their hands. Okay, be a responsible kid for your parents. You know your parents might be in a tension of the work, so at that time sometimes they will forget to wear a mask. So at that time you be a responsible kid and remind your parents to wear mask and sanitize their hands. Okay children, yes, I know my children are very responsible. Yeah, coming back to the studies. So yeah, let us start with part 3 of lesson number 1, plant world. So we have done part 1 and part 2. Let us recollect what we have learned in the plant world. Yes, we have learned that plants are very beautiful and colorful. Some plants grow in water and some plants grow in the soil. Trees and big plants like shrubs and herbs they are called as trees are big plants, and shrubs and herbs they are called as what, small plants. Okay, few plants grow near the sea, and few plants are like climbers and few plants are like creepers. Okay, and the parts of the plant, yes, parts of the plants starting from the leaf, fruit, bud, flower, stem, roots, these are the parts of the plants. And the leaves also, you have different kinds of leaves. Definitely all the plants will not have the same kind of leaves, they have different kinds of leaves. And coming back to the flowers also, yes, they have different types of flowers. Now coming back to the seeds. Yeah, I want everyone to take out page number 80, seeds. Many plants grow from seeds. Let us see how we get seeds. Seeds form inside the fruits. A fruit can have one or more than seeds. Yes, all the plants will have seeds. How do they have seeds? If the plant is having like a fruit or a vegetable, few fruits and vegetables, they will have seeds inside it. Like apple have a seed, mango have a seed. Okay, vegetables like tomato, they too have a seed, and many other vegetables they will also have a seed. Pea, okay, and various types of pulses also, that is also type of food, that too have a seeds. Okay, so what happens, these seeds, okay, when you take a tomato, आप टमाटर को लो, आप टमाटर को जब अंदर कट करेंगे, so you will find the small seeds over it. So that is nothing but that is a seed. And if you put that seeds in some plant under the under the mud, so it can grow that type of plant. अगर मैंगो की जो गुठली है, अगर आप वो गुठली को भी आप मिट्टी में डालेंगे विद अ प्रॉपर सॉइल एंड अ फर्टाइल, तो मैंगो का झाड़ भी आएगा. ओके, सिमिलरली जो भी सीड्स आपको मिलेंगे, अगर आप वो सीड्स को आप प्रॉपर सॉइल में डालेंगे, सो दैट सीड्स विल अगेन टर्न इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. ओके, टमाटो की सीड्स है, एंड इवन अ पी ऑल्सो, मैंगो की सीड्स है, एप्पल की सीड्स है, पपाया, यू हैव सीन पपाया, पपाया के भी ब्लैक कलर के सीड्स होते हैं. ओके, यू कैन फाइंड ब्लैक कलर सीड्स इन दैट. So these are nothing but these seeds you can find in some fruits as well as vegetables. Even a flower have a seed. Flower, sunflower is there? Yeah, sunflower. In the middle of the sunflower, you have a seed, black color seed. That is nothing but these all are seeds which we cannot eat. Okay, which we cannot eat. आप कोई भी चीज खाएंगे तो जब आपके मुंह में वो seed आएगा, आप immediately you will throw that seed. Okay, and only the part which we can eat we will swallow it, and other parts we will throw it. So the which thing you are throwing, that is nothing but that is the seed. Yeah, so next is what, seeds are of many kinds. You can see over here, kidney, bean, pea, gram, wheat, rice, maize, pepper. I'll show you few seeds over here also, like kidney seed. See, kidney bean, this is also called as what, rajma bean. You can see over here, this is what, this is called as what, kidney bean, or you can call it as what, rajma bean. Okay, yeah, another seed I have, yeah, this one, this is also a type of bean. You can see over here, it's like a shape of a kidney, that's why it is called as what, kidney bean. Okay, next is what, this one, gram, chana. See, this is what, chana. Okay, these are nothing but these are also different types of seeds. Yeah, black pepper, kali mirchi. See, this is what, this is black pepper. Again you can have rice. Yes, I know everyone will eat rice, so these are few rice with me. And yeah, corn, maize, butta. Yeah, okay, this is what, corn. Have you ever eaten this? Yes. This is called as what? Corn. So these are few beans with me I have shown over here. So these beans are nothing but these all are what? These all are seeds. You can see over here. These all are nothing but these all are seeds. So these seeds are of different kind. You cannot have all the seeds of one type. You have different kinds of seeds. आप apple के अंदर के seeds भी देखो, you will have, that is different. Papaya के अंदर black color के seeds, that is also different. So all these pulses, these pulses are also regarded what? These pulses are also regarded as what? Seeds. Okay. Yeah, I show you this. See, these all are different types of pulses. So these pulses are regarded as what? Different types of seeds. Yes. Coming back to the lesson. Each seed has a baby plant inside it. Seed has some food stored for the baby plant. Seed is sown in the wet soil. So each this seed, okay, each this seed has a baby plant inside it. So when this seed is being stored in the water in the soil, and when it gets wet, it will burst, and again it will give birth to a new plant. I show you the baby plant. This white color seed. This rajma bean is there. So in between the rajma bean, you can see over here there is a white color dot over here. Okay. Yeah, this white color dot is nothing but this is a baby plant inside this seed. So when this seed gets a proper fertility and water with a proper sunlight, this baby plant will burst and come out, and it will give birth to a new plant. So after sometimes the seeds burst and baby plant comes out. The baby plant grows when it gets food, air, water and sunshine. The last tree grows from a small seed. Yes, as I said you. So this is the bean. Okay. This is what? This is rajma bean, or you can call it as what? Kidney bean. So when I'll put this kidney bean and rajma bean into a proper soil, so what happens? This one, this is the white color, this one is a baby plant. So when I put this into soil, into fertile soil, what happens? As it will get adequate water, a proper sunlight, this bean will get burst. ये टूट जाएगा. Okay. So again from this white color you will have a stem, again a root, and it will give birth to a plant. ऐसे ही करते करते वो क्या होगा? वो एक बड़ा झाड़ हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is how the seeds are useful to grow a new plant. You can also take example also. आपके पास आपके घर में जरूर कोई ना कोई pulses रहेंगे, कोई ना कोई दाल रहेगी. Okay, so what you do? You take this rajma bean, okay, and take one pot. With a good fertility, with a good soil. So that pot, वो pot के अंदर आप क्या करो? ये राजमा के beans को उसके अंदर डालो. Every day you pour water, and you keep the pot in a way they can get a proper sunlight. So after 4 days, 5 days, or few days, you can see there will be a small stem. Okay, then again after few days that stem will become a big with a leaf. Then again after few days it will give to like a flower it can give, or it can give to the spores can come. Okay, so that, yes, you can do this. You can try this at your home also, just with this rajma bean, and see that this, with the help of this bean only, you can get what? A new plant. Is that clear, children? So I hope this is very useful for you all, and with this we have completed our lesson number 1 for class 1, plant world. Okay, I have given few notes in the classwork. Yes, and the classwork we have done with the new words. Yes, so I give you question answers as soon as possible. Till that time, you just go through the videos, go through the lesson, and whatever the new words I have given you, I hope you have written that in your classwork in a neat handwriting, and that question answers also you need to write in the classwork in a neat handwriting. Okay, children? Yeah, we'll be back with a new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.